Hello again, this is Paul Abrahams from Learn Jazz Piano Online, and this is a short introduction to chord substitution, which is exactly what it sounds like. We substitute one chord for another. So let's get started. Let's start with a very simple concept. If you take a major seventh chord, let's take F major 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, and you start this chord on the 3 and play 3, 5, 7, 9, it becomes a minor seventh. So the first rule is any major seventh chord, start on its 3 and it'll become a minor seventh. In the same way, if you take a minor seventh, let's take a G minor seventh, and you start building your chord on this B flat, on the 3, it becomes a major chord, in this case a B flat major seventh. Let's put this into the context of a simple basic 1, 6, 2, 5. F major is the 1, D minor 7 is the 6, G minor 7 is the 2, and the C7 is the 5. I'm now going to replace this F major 7th, the 1, with an A minor 7th. So now our turnaround, instead of F major 7, D minor 7, G minor 7, C7, begins on A minor 7th. That's the substitute chord. So now we have A minor 7, D minor 7, G minor 7, C7. Now let's take the G minor, the 2 chord in this turnaround. The G minor 7, we could substitute it with the B flat major 7th. So now we have A minor 7, D minor 7, and instead of the G minor 7, the B flat major 7 and the C7. The next substitute is, instead of our 6th chord being a minor, in this case the D minor 7, we turn it into the dominant 7th, and this gives us a lot more options with our harmonic voicings and solo. Let's take the sequence again. We'll start with our A minor 7, but now instead of the D minor 7, we're going to play D7, or D dominant 7th. We could either play the G minor 7th here, or we could play the B flat major 7th and the C7. Staying with our 1, 6, 2, 5 in F, I want to show you how you could still think of the left hand as F, D, G and C, and our basic chords are F major 7, D minor 7, G minor 7 and C7. But your right hand could think in terms of these substitute chords. So for the first chord, which is F major 7, if you put your fingers over the A minor 7th, the 3, 5, 7, 9 of the F, and when we move to the D, this was a D minor 7, but you could think F major 7. The G minor 7th, think of the B flat major 7, built on the 3 of the G minor 7th. So once again, so in summary, with the F, I'm thinking A minor 7. With the D minor, I'm thinking F major 7th. With the G minor, I'm thinking B flat major 7th. And with the C, you could do the same thing and build 3, 5, 7, 9. Here's one last idea. We started with the F major 7th, and earlier I showed you that you could change the D minor 7 into a D dominant 7th. Now here's a very quick way to substitute the D7 for a diminished 7th. Here's your F major 7, go up a semitone and play a diminished 7th. And that creates the equivalent of a 3, 5, 7 flat 9 of the D7. Hopefully that gave you some ideas of the basics of chord substitution, but you can learn a lot more about this subject and plenty of other things if you'd like to subscribe to my online video jazz piano course, www.learnjazzpianoonline.com. See you soon.